On today's busy roads, fleet operators need more than just tracking. They need real-time visibility, proactive safety, and instant response when it matters most. This IoT-powered vehicle monitoring solution helps logistics providers and fleet operators actively manage driver safety and operational efficiency with in-vehicle Android devices. The platform needed to detect unsafe driving behaviors in real-time, stream and record video, monitor device health, and trigger emergency actions, all with secure, low-latency performance. The system had to process live telemetry and video from moving vehicles, remain highly responsive under variable networks, and securely manage both live and stored content at scale. A feature-rich Android application was built on a clean MVVM architecture, backed by a modern cloud backend using AWS IoT, Kinesis, and machine learning to power predictive safety. The app analyzes driver behavior to trigger instant alerts. This supports continuous on-road recording with automatic file merging and uploads, and streams live video from in-vehicle cameras for full situational awareness. Comprehensive device health monitoring tracks GPS, network, storage, ignition, and power, while an integrated SOS feature lets drivers raise instant emergency alerts during critical events. The solution runs on a modern stack, combining AWS IoT and Kinesis for streaming, Kotlin and MVVM for robust development, and ML for intelligence and reliability. The application delivered measurable impact across safety, cost, and operations for connected fleets, from reduced insurance claims to improved fleet performance with real-time driver accountability. An IoT-native safety application that makes every trip smarter, safer, and more accountable for modern fleet operations.